In a busy academic environment, maintaining cleanliness requires speed, consistency, and smart coordination. Introducing the Farnek Hybrid Unit, powered by HITEK, where advanced robotics and skilled cleaning professionals work together as one smart team. Meet our dynamic duo. While they may look different, they're equally smart and efficient. Teaming up to handle large floor areas with precision and care. Using intelligent navigation, they clean safely around students, staff, and visitors, making sure everything stays spotless without missing a beat. While our robots handles repetitive floor cleaning, Farnek's trained professionals focus on detailed, high-touch, and specialized cleaning tasks. With real-time coordination, the team can respond quickly to spills, urgent cleaning requirements, and changing facility needs. From classrooms and libraries to cafeterias, corridors, and public areas, the hybrid team delivers reliable cleaning across the entire facility. The result is a cleaner, safer, and more productive environment for everyone. Farnek Hybrid Unit, powered by HITEK, combining smart technology with the power of people to transform facility management.